It's a bad man thing.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Wigs Wasteland here, and of course we're back with another quick wig review, and this one is on Allison by Bobbi Boss. Big shout out to LOCOBEAUTY for sending over the unit. Definitely appreciate it. So Miss Allison, I have this in the color, I believe 1B30. So this is a light yaki unit, but she does have a thick density to her. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course drop me a comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and of course share the video, share the channel, and share the love. No real complaints with Miss Allison, so I will let this play out and then of course come back with my final thoughts. What's up, loves? Welcome back to the channel. Wigs Wasteland here. This is, I'm guessing this is part of the Yara family. At least that's what the care card says. So if you aren't familiar with the Yara family, it is a series of wigs based off of the original Yara. So it's already giving me Swami vibes. If you're not familiar with that review, I'll definitely leave the care card here. But this is a very high density bob. If you are not into thick hair, this is not the unit for you. This is a very comfortable cap, very stretchy and roomy for my big head girls out there. And of course, lace parting makes it look so unbelievably natural. No parting, no plucking, no tweezing. Put your pressed powder and go. And texture on here is unbelievably natural. Bobbi Boss, hands down, has like perfected the natural texture for synthetic wigs. I absolutely love the texture on their wigs. They're very natural, no real luster to them, and they really give you just that thick, almost blow-dried, freshly permed African-American style. So big kudos to them on the texture. Bob. And I think it came out really, really good. Like I said, this is a very thick unit. If you are not used to thick bobs, then you may want to kind of tiptoe into this at a future time, but I am actually really loving the density on here. I'm really surprised because I really, just straight out the pack, I was not feeling this unit. I do have the color TP1B30, and I already knew this was going to come with some chunky highlights. So as you guys saw, I did just go through with my Sharpie just to blend it out just a little bit better. I'm not really a fan of chunky highlights, and I wish we would do the 1B30 combos just a little bit more blended. But until then, we do have our Sharpies that we can definitely depend on for that. But I must say, Miss Allison, she's cute. She's cute, you know. She got a little flip. She got a little body to her. She got that swing to her. So, you know. So if you guys are interested in Miss Allison, then definitely check out LOCOBEAUTY.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. And of course, most importantly, make sure you share this video with your family, your friends, and of course, anybody who will listen. Make sure you share the channel, share the love, share share, share. Make sure you check out the video here or here. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button wherever it may be. And you know what I say, make sure you guys wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.